Enjoy the view of this 2024 Nissan Rogue. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Start planning your family road trips in this comfortable, well-equipped Rogue. This clever crossover offers plenty of space and thoughtful creature comforts to keep your crew relaxed and eager for adventure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, panoramic roof, navigation system, hands-free liftgate, keyless entry, satellite radio, heated front seat, heated mirrors, power liftgate. Get the comfort you want and the efficiency you need in this handsome Rogue. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.